Heal arthritis naturally for a pain-free life. 2.1. What is arthritis?
Arthritis is one of the most common conditions affecting people today. For many, life with arthritis means relying on anti-inflammatory medications just to get through the day. But painkillers don't address the root cause, so the pain returns again and again. Contrary to popular belief, arthritis is not a single disease. It's an umbrella term for more than 100 different conditions that can cause pain, stiffness, swelling, and reduced mobility in the joints. It can affect just one joint or many, and it doesn't only happen to older adults. Young people and even children can develop arthritis. The condition may appear suddenly or develop gradually, depending on the type. For some, it remains mild. For others, it progresses, severely limiting mobility and quality of life. To better understand, let's look at the main types of arthritis.
Degenerative, wear and tear, arthritis.
Osteoarthritis, breakdown of joint cartilage due to age or injury. Post-traumatic arthritis develops after joint damage.
Inflammatory autoimmune arthritis.
Rheumatoid arthritis, the immune system attacks the lining of the joints. Psoriatic arthritis occurs in people with psoriasis. Ankylosing spondylitis affects the spine and sacroiliac joints. Reactive arthritis, triggered by infections, often urinary or intestinal.
Metabolic arthritis.
Gout, caused by uric acid crystal buildup in the joints. Pseudogout, chondrocalcinosis, caused by calcium pyrophosphate crystals.
Infectious arthritis.
Septic arthritis, a bacterial infection inside the joint, often Staphylococcus aureus. Viral arthritis linked to infections such as hepatitis, parvovirus, or some tropical viruses.
Rare and specific forms.
Juvenile idiopathic arthritis occurs in children and adolescents. Systemic lupus erythematosus can cause joint inflammation. Scleroderma may present with arthritis-like symptoms. Behçet's disease. Sarcoidosis with joint involvement.
Summary.
Arthritis can appear in many forms, which is why proper diagnosis is essential. If you experience persistent pain or swelling in your joints, it's important to see a doctor. The first step in any healing journey is identifying the type of arthritis you're dealing with, because treatment depends on it. For example, in cases of infectious arthritis, early medical intervention is absolutely necessary. Modern medicine offers many tools to reduce symptoms and slow progression, but lasting recovery often requires something more, a comprehensive, holistic strategy tailored to your life and your body. In the next sections, we'll take a closer look at the most common forms of arthritis and explore how they can be approached, not only managed, but truly healed. For those who prefer a book version rather than video content, a great resource is the book Heal Arthritis Naturally for a Pain-Free Life. It's a full guide with real-life recovery examples, and it's available now on Amazon. The link is in the description below. That's all for this video. More arthritis healing tips and insights are on the way, so stay with us. Don't forget to explore the Arthritis Healing playlist linked in the description below, along with other helpful resources. Keep moving, keep smiling, and keep learning. We'll be here next time.